The Bridge of Friendship. In a small, picturesque village nestled between rolling hills and a shimmering river, lived two friends, Leo and Max. They had been inseparable since childhood, sharing countless adventures and dreams. Despite their different personalities, Leo being cautious and thoughtful, while Max was daring and spontaneous, their bond was unbreakable. One sunny afternoon, the friends decided to explore the other side of the river, a place they had never ventured before. They packed a small bag with snacks and set off on their adventure. As they approached the old wooden bridge that spanned the river, Leo hesitated. "I've heard this bridge is unstable," Leo said, eyeing the weathered planks with concern. Max, always the optimist, grinned. "Don't worry, Leo, we'll cross it together. Besides, it's part of the adventure." They stepped onto the bridge, feeling it sway under their weight. Leo gripped the handrail tightly, while Max confidently led the way. Halfway across, a loud creak echoed through the air, and a plank gave way beneath Leo's foot. In an instant, Max turned and grabbed Leo's arm, preventing him from falling. "I've got you," Max said firmly. Leo's heart pounded, but he managed a shaky smile. "Thanks, Max. I don't know what I'd do without you." They carefully continued, step by step, until they reached the other side safely. The land beyond the river was a wonderland of wildflowers and tall grasses, a hidden paradise they hadn't imagined. Sitting on a grassy knoll, sharing their snacks, Leo turned to Max. "You know, I was really scared back there. But having you by my side made all the difference." Max nodded, his usual grin softer. "That's what friends are for, Leo. We face our fears together and come out stronger." As the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, the two friends made their way back across the bridge, their bond even stronger than before. They knew that no matter what challenges lay ahead, they would always have each other's backs. And so, Leo and Max continued their adventures, their friendship a testament to trust, courage, and the unyielding support they shared.